Hello everyone. You are in the InStyle knitting studio. Today, we will knit this lace pattern with a crochet hook. It is called Carnations. I specifically knitted it with 2 strands, so it would be clearer to see while knitting, but it is so delicate and lacy. I believe it will look even better with a finer yarn. It is double-sided, so it can probably be used for blankets or something similar for stitches. In height, it consists of 3 rows. So let's start knitting. Look, the starting chain. How to knit a chain of air stitches. How to crochet double crochets and single crochets. All of this is available in my group. I will leave all the links below the video. But now, let's start knitting from the beginning. The number of stitches should be a multiple of 6. I will take 2 times 6, 12 plus 4 stitches, so the number of stitches is a multiple of 6 plus 4. I am knitting 16 air stitches, so the first row. How do we knit? We knit 1 double crochet the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in other words, 4. Skip to the 5th stitch. Knit a double crochet. Next, knit 1 air stitch and again a double crochet. With a yarn over, we go into the same stitch where we knitted the previous double crochet, just like that. Next, skip 2 stitches and knit 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches. In the 3rd stitch, knit 3 double crochets. We have knitted. Next, skip 2 stitches. In the 3rd, knit again a double crochet, an air stitch, and a 2nd double crochet in the same stitch. After this, everything repeats, so. We knit, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, we knit 3 double crochet stitches. In 1 stitch from the previous row. We have knitted. After that, we skip. We ended up with 2 stitches at the end. We skip 1 stitch, and in the last stitch, we knit 1 double crochet stitch. Like this, we move on to the 2nd row. 3 chain stitches for lifting. We turn the work, skip 2 stitches, we knit 3 double crochet stitches in the 3rd stitch. Look, 1, 2 in the 3rd. Well, I am guided by the pattern. Here, I have a group of 3 double crochet stitches in the previous row. In the central stitch, I knit 3 double crochet stitches again. That is, at the beginning of the row, we knitted 3 chain stitches for lifting, and then 3 double crochet stitches in the central stitch of those 3 from the previous row, 1 here. The 2nd double crochet stitch, and here the 3rd double crochet stitch. Then it's all simple. Here is our next group from the previous row. Here's a double crochet stitch, a chain stitch, a double crochet stitch in this chain stitch. That is, in the arch, we knit the same thing again, a double crochet stitch. A chain stitch, and again a double crochet stitch into the arch. Next, we have 3 double crochet stitches according to the pattern. We knit again, 3 double crochet stitches in the central stitch. Next, we have this arch between the double crochet stitches. Here, we knit a double crochet stitch again, a chain stitch, and again a double crochet stitch here. At the end of the row, we knit 1 double crochet stitch. We rise to the 3rd row, make 3 chain stitches for lifting, we turn the work. The 3rd row is knitted similarly. Here we just look at the pattern. Here we have arches, like little birds, 2 double crochet stitches and a chain stitch between them. So we will knit the same thing here again. We make a yarn over in the arch. Here we knit a double crochet stitch in the chain stitch, then a chain stitch, and a second double crochet stitch here. Next, we have a group of 3 columns with a yarn over. In the center, we make 3 columns with a yarn over again. Again, there is such a little bird. So, we crochet a column with a yarn over, a chain stitch, and again a column with a yarn over. After that, a group of 3 columns with a yarn over. So, in the center, in the second column, we crochet 3 columns with a yarn over. We've done that. This is how it turns out for us. At the end, we crochet 1 column with a yarn over. I am crocheting here into the arch. We have reached the end of the 3rd row, that's all, friends. Now, we will repeat from the 2nd to the 3rd row. Here, basically, at the beginning of the row, we make 3 chain stitches to raise. Next, we look at the pattern. If we have a group of 3 columns with a yarn over, then we crochet 3 columns with a yarn over in the second column. If we have such a little bird, then we crochet into the arch. Here, a chain stitch, a column with a yarn over, a chain stitch, a column with a yarn over. All of this is a very simple pattern, but at the same time, it is so original, I think. You enjoyed this masterclass, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you soon in new videos. Bye.